Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this glass teapot. This is Stovetop and microwave safe. Right. Nothing in there, just some packaging looks like. Okay, wow, that's kind of cool. Look at that. Ooh. All right, looks like it's got perhaps a little bamboo handle here. Like nice little leather wrapping on there looks like, and these little fish things. Look at that. That's actually pretty cool looking. Okay, so also has a little infuser here that fits right down in the bottom, right like that. And you can put like loose tea leaves and things like that and brew the tea right out of that. So it has a couple little slits there in the bottom, you can see. That fits right down there in there. And you can brew some tea in there. How cool is that? I really like tea. And then we have this little glass lid that fits right in there. That's gotta be like one of the cutest little teapots I've ever seen. I'm going to actually go throw this, wash it out real quick, throw this on the stove, and pour myself a nice little cup of tea. Why don't you join me? All right, got my little pot all washed out here. I got some tea, loose tea. I'm just going to set that in there in the little infuser thing. Put my lid on there and then fire up my stove. Let's see, put this baby on high. Dun dun. I gotta say, it's just a really cute little pot. I mean, it just looks really neat. I like it a lot. Okay. Heating up nicely there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's already infusing. Oops, did I not? Hang on. And dry off the bottom of the thing real quick. Okay, so it's the little tea stuff is coming down there, but unfortunately I did just rip open a tea bag, so probably not the best idea. You can see how well that is working though. So I'll have to pour this through a little filter. If you were going to use like larger, like loose leaf tea, that would work really great. So I just wanted to try it, and clearly the little infuser is working. And a little bit of tea fiber, so not too bad anyways. I'll probably just drink it. But there it is, heating up already. I'll give it a minute here. Okay, wow, that's really boiling away, my friends. Turn that off. Looks like it's holding up. Doesn't make a whistling noise or anything like that when it's done. But yeah, it's really super infusing all that. And that is really cool. Let's see how hot the handle is. So you got some steam coming up there. Oh, the handle's still cool, even though we got steam coming up there. That's fine. Just remove it from the heat source there. And let me get a little teacup here. Okay, so let's pour ourselves a little bit of tea here. Look at that. Pours like perfectly. Okay, well, I think that is probably the cutest little tea kettle I've ever seen. Well, friends, yeah, it just works really well. I like the infusion part. I like that you can put it in the microwave if you want to. So all in all, just a great little tea kettle here, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.